Hi, I'm Faith, and today you're watching the first baby step that I'm taking from Flylady's system, which is not a cleaning system. Instead, it's learning to fly, which stands for finally loving yourself. I'm a perfectionist, and I need to stop before I burn out, which happens a lot. So, I'm going to be a little flybaby, taking baby steps. This video will show you how I clean and shine my sink. Step number 1 is to have an empty sink. Flylady doesn't want you to actually clean all the dishes at this point. If you have dishes in the sink, then take them out so you can start cleaning the sink. The only baby step today is to clean and shine the sink. I personally will take a step further and put all the dishes in the dishwasher or wash the dishes by hand. But that's because I made it into a habit of cleaning the dishes after breakfast. Step number 2 is to remove the food from your sink and rinse the sink with hot water. Step number 3 is to spray your sink with vinegar and water solution, which is 50% vinegar and 50% water. Step number 4 is to get your baking soda out and sprinkle the baking soda all over the sink. Step number 5 is getting a wet sponge or a soft brush to clean the sink. The bottom of the sink will have the most baking soda, so I make sure to use that baking soda while I clean the top part of the sink. Afterwards, I grab a small brush or a toothbrush to get all the corners cleaned, especially around the food waste disposer. Let the baking soda sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This was how I cleaned the sink in my other house, but now I live in a home that has really hard water. Let me know down in the comments on your favorite cleaner that gets rid of the hard water spots and stains. Step number 6 is to turn on the water and rinse the sink with very hot water. You can use a sponge to make sure to wash off all of the baking soda from the sink. Step number 7 is to spray the faucet in the sink with your favorite all-purpose cleaner or with vinegar and water solution. Then take a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe the faucet and sink dry. You're welcome to use more than one dry cloth to make sure the sink is extra dry. Now step back and enjoy your clean and shiny sink. This is baby step number 1 to make you feel accomplished and to have a shiny, clean sink to wake up to in the morning. You don't have to scrub the sink every day. This is just a starting point on learning how to fly. Click the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!